Hi, I'm Kirby Allison, and we love to help the well-dressed take care of their wardrobes. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the various styles of heels that we offer in our Kirby Allison Certified Shoe Restoration Program. One of the most important aspects of our shoe restoration program is that we are replacing not only the full leather outsole, but also the heels with JR Rendenbach oak bark tanned leather outsoles and heels. These are absolutely the finest quality leather that's available in the world to use for your outsoles and your heels, and they are especially well known for being incredibly water resistant and abrasion resistant. This is very important because those two things together combine to create an outsole and heel that is long wearing and stands the test of time. Here I have the 4 different styles of heels that we offer in our program. The first one is our JR Basic, which is a nice straight line with a soft rubber. Although JR calls this heel basic, there is nothing basic about it. It doesn't mean that it's low quality, it's just a standard simple heel design. The other characteristic of the JR Basic is that the second layer is a full rubber layer that adds additional shock absorption. It's a great heel if you like a nice clean look. The second heel that we offer is the JR Combination Heel. It has a dovetail design on the top lift and a full second layer of rubber that again adds additional shock absorption. Now if you prefer a full leather heel look, then this is where we have our JR Dovetail Heel. Again, it has the dovetail rubber insert on the top lift, but the second layer is a full leather layer, so you don't have any rubber on this particular heel. For a brown shoe, where you're really gonna see the various layers of leather used to stack the heel, this is my favorite option. And finally, and completely unique to JR, is their JR Vibram rubber heel. This uses a vibrant rubber insert here, a special design, and the full second layer again is soft rubber that provides additional shock absorption. All of these heels are included standard in our Kirby Allison Certified Shoe Restoration Program. Unlike most recrafting programs, our Kirby Allison Certified Shoe Restoration Program aims to return your shoes at a higher quality level than they were manufactured. We are committed to using only the finest craftsmanship and finest materials available anywhere in the world today. Another important distinguishing characteristic of our Kirby Allison Certified Shoe Restoration Program is that we replace composite heel blocks, which is basically particle leather that is glued together to create basically fake leather, with JR Rendenbach's full leather heel blocks. Now this is the same quality of heel block that you would find in a bespoke shoe. It's what Edward Green and John Lobb use on all their factory-made shoes. And this is basically created by stacking together full, solid layers of JR Rendenbach leather. And this is incredibly important because again, what most cobblers do is that they'll replace the sole, they'll pull off the heel block, and then they'll simply just reuse the same heel block on top of the outsole and underneath the top lift. In our program, if we receive a pair of shoes that is made with composite leather, whenever we pull that off, we're gonna totally replace it with JR Rendenbach. So to show this, basically, here's the leather outsole, the heel block goes on top of that, and then depending on the style of top lift that you choose, it basically sandwiches that heel block in between the top lift and the full leather outsole. And it's this combination that really represents the full integrity of the bottom of the shoe and ensures that you can trust that your shoes are being recrafted and restored to a quality that in many cases is better than what is received new straight from the factory. To my knowledge, we are the only people in the United States that are using JR Rendenbach's full leather oak bark tan heel bases. So one of the questions that we often receive is, how is the Kirby Allison shoe restoration process different than other recrafting or shoe repair programs that exist out there? And it comes down to our commitment to only using the absolute finest materials in the world paired with the absolute finest craftsmanship. So that means that we are exclusively using JR Rendenbach oak bark tanned leather outsoles, but not just the full leather outsoles, not just their top lifts, but we're also continuing that integrity all the way through the heel block, which most people completely overlook. We pair that with the craftsmanship of our third generation award-winning cobbler, and finally, the time and attention that we give to shine the shoes at the end, replacing the laces, placing them in a nice box, carefully taking notes about the work that was provided, and that is the difference with our Kirby Allison Certified Shoe Restoration Program. If you have any questions about our Certified Shoe Restoration Program, by all means, please reach out to customer service or ask them in the comments section below. We'd be more than happy to get back to you. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel and turn on your notifications by clicking the bell to the right of the subscribe button so that you can learn whenever we release new videos. If you have any questions or comments about anything we discussed on this video, please ask them in the comments section below. And of course, please visit hangerproject.com, where we have the largest, most comprehensive collection of luxury garment care and shoe care accessories in the world, as well as many other incredible products for the well-dressed. And while you are there, subscribe to our newsletter to receive notifications of new product launches, promotions, as well as a weekly digest of all the videos we publish here on our YouTube channel. I'm Kirby Allison, and thanks for joining me.